Hello friends, welcome back to channel. Today is 14th of August 2020 and in this video we are going to see all the important current affairs from 14th of August 2020. Before starting today's video, we will quickly revise the questions asked in our last video. Our first question was, which nation has recently started a mass awareness campaign called Ek Mask Many Lives? Answer is Madhya Pradesh. Which Indian origin politician has been named leader of the opposition for the first time in the history of Singapore? Answer is Pritam Singh. Lee Teng Hui has passed away recently. He was the former president of which country? Answer is Taiwan. Indian Railways has recently installed automatic lighting system in which state as a unique step toward energy conservation? Answer is Madhya Pradesh. Next question was, which general insurance company launched crop insurance campaign called Bahut Jaruri Hai for farmers in Maharashtra and Karnataka? Answer is Bharti AXA General Insurance Company. World Breastfeeding Week is observed annually between dash. Answer is August 1st to 7th August. Which of the following day is declared as the Muslim Women's Right Day in India? Answer is 1st August. Who has been elected as the new Prime Minister of Ivory Coast recently? Answer is Hamid Bokaiko. Ninth question was, which state has announced the opening of religious places from 1st of September 2020? Answer is Rajasthan. And last question was, recently which state government has approved the scheme of 3 capitals of the state? Answer is Andhra Pradesh. These were the questions asked in our last video. Now we'll start today's video. Our first question is, which state planned to develop India's first snow leopard conservation center? Answer is option number 3, Uttarakhand. India's first snow leopard conservation center is to be set up in Lanka near Bhairon Ghati Bridge in Uttarkashi district in Uttarakhand. It will be built by the Uttarakhand Forest Department along with the United Nations Development Program, that is UNDP, as a part of its 6-year-long project securing livelihoods, conservation, sustainable use and restoration of high-range Himalayan ecosystem. Answer will be option number 3, Uttarakhand. Next, for effective and efficient delivery of central and state schemes for the people, which state government launched the unique identity card, the Parivar Pehchan Patraj? Answer is option number 2, Haryana. Recently, Haryana state government has launched a unique identity card, the Parivar Pehchan Patraj, that is PPP. It is an initiative of the Haryana state government developed by the CMO, that is Chief Minister's Office, for effective and efficient delivery of central and state schemes to the people in the transparent way. Answer will be option number 2, Haryana. Next question, which is the first state in India to partner with Google India to provide learning tools for students? Answer is option number 2, Maharashtra. Maharashtra state government has announced the partnership with Google, which will provide learning programs that integrate the classroom approach into online learning over a virtual launch event. And with this, Maharashtra has become the first state in India to collaborate with Google India for statewide distribution of G Suite for education and Google Classroom. Answer will be option number 2, Maharashtra. Google. What is Google? Google is an American multinational technology company. It was founded on 4th of September 1988 by Larry Page and Sergey Brin. Its headquarters is in California, which is in the US, and currently CEO of Google is Sundar Pichai. Next, who has been appointed as the new Controller and Auditor General of India? Answer is option number 1, Girish Chandra Murmu. Girish Chandra Murmu is the former Lieutenant Governor of Jammu Kashmir, and recently he has been appointed as the new Controller and Auditor General, that is CAG of India. GC Murmu or Girish Chandra Murmu has resigned as Jammu Kashmir's Lieutenant Governor on 5th of August 2020, and the Controller and Auditor General of India is an authority established by the Article 148 of the Constitution of India, which audits all receipts and expenditure of the Government of India and state governments. CAG is appointed by President of India, and term length of CAG is 6 years or 65 years of age, whichever is less. Answer will be option number 1. Next question, which of the following state or union territory government has recently launched electrical vehicle policy? Answer is option number 3, Delhi. Recently, Delhi CM Arvind Kejriwal has launched Delhi electrical vehicle policy. Under this, the government will waive all the registration fee and road tax and provide incentive of up to 1.5 lakh for new cars in Delhi. This policy aims to boost the economy, create new jobs and reduce pollution level. And the government will also provide incentive up to rupees 30 lakhs for two-wheelers, autos and e-rickshaws. Answer will be option number 3, Delhi. Next question, which state government has recently launched an innovative virtual cybercrime awareness program e-Raksha Bandhan? Answer is option number 4, Andhra Pradesh. Recently, Andhra Pradesh state government has launched an initiative virtual cybercrime awareness program named as e-Raksha Bandhan. This program aims to create awareness among the public on cyber crimes across the state. A month-long online awareness program would be organized by the Crime Investigation Department, FM Radio, Cybercrime Prevention Against Women and Children, Cyber Peace Foundation and other organizations in Andhra Pradesh. Answer will be option number 4, Andhra Pradesh. Next question, Harikrishna Pentala is associated with which of the following sports? Answer is option number 4, chess. Look into the image. This is Harikrishna Pentala. He is an Indian chess player and recently he has got second rank in the 53rd Bial Chess Festival, which has been recently played in Switzerland. Answer will be option number 4, chess. Next question, first manhole cleaning robot Bandicoot has been inaugurated recently in which of the following cities? Answer is option number 4, Guwahati. Recently, Guwahati Development Department Ministry has inaugurated first manhole cleaning robot Bandicoot to ensure minimal human involvement to clean the sewers, and Guwahati has become the first city in the entire northeast region to get a manhole cleaning robot. Also, Guwahati is the third city in the entire country to procure innovative technology to clean manhole after Gurugram and Coimbatore. Next question, Shivajirao Patil Nilangekar has recently died at the age of 88. He was the former chief minister of Dash. Answer is option number 1st, Maharashtra. Look into the image. This was Shivajirao Patil Nilangekar. He was a senior Congress leader and the former chief minister of Maharashtra, and he recently died at the age of 88. Answer will be option number 1, Maharashtra. Next question, which of the following day is celebrated as World Lung Cancer Day? Answer is option number 2, 1st August. Every year, 1st August is celebrated as World Lung Cancer Day. It is celebrated to raise awareness about the causes and treatment of lung cancer and its global impact, creating an educational movement to understand the risk of lung cancer and early treatment around the world. Also, the day highlights the problems that can arise due to lack of adequate research funding. Answer will be option number 1, 1st August. Now, answer of the question which was asked in last video. Question was, which state government has approved Mukhyamantri Ghar Ghar Ration Yojana? Answer is option number 3, Delhi. Recently, Chief Minister of Delhi Arvind Kejriwal on July 21st has announced that his government has approved Mukhyamantri Ghar Ghar Ration Yojana, and this scheme will help the beneficiaries avail the doorstep delivery of the ration in Delhi. Answer will be option number 3, Delhi. Now today's question is, which of the following day has been celebrated as CRPF's Raising Day recently? Options are 25th July, 26th July, 27th July and 28th July. If you know answer of this question, you can write it in the comment section below, or we'll discuss the question in the next video.